We'll be looking at two different styles of Traxxas control board, one with a ribbon lead and one with the individual 3 conductors. What they have in common is that both of them have broken potentiometer shafts. The one with the ribbon lead, as we indicated previously, is not repairable. We'll show the repair procedure for the 3 conductor lead potentiometer. We'll start by cutting the 3 conductor leads close to the potentiometer using the side cutter. Next, we'll remove the replacement potentiometer from the 288-8411 potentiometer replacement kit. There are instructions included with this, but we will show how it's done. The kit consists of the replacement potentiometer and 3 3M grease-filled connectors. To prepare the replacement potentiometer, we'll start by removing the small barbs from each of the wires. The 3M connector simply requires that you insert the 2 light-colored wires all the way into the connector, then use pliers to squeeze the orange-colored portion of that down tightly. Next, to verify function of our new potentiometer on the old circuit board, we'll connect it to our power source and use a simple test light procedure to verify function. This procedure actually could be applied to all of our control boards. Of course, with a power drive style board, you would need a functioning foot pedal, but this style circuit board is easily tested simply laying right here on the bench top because it includes the potentiometer and, of course, the circuit board in its entirety right here. So we'll need to again reference our wiring diagram to make sure that we connect the B plus and the B minus in their proper locations. On this particular circuit board, the B plus lead gets plugged in over here, and the B minus lead goes between the relay and the heat transfer bar. We'll turn the potentiometer into the off position. The off position is the one where the flat surface of the D shaft is toward the wires. So that should be the off position. We'll plug our our test light into the circuit board. And again, this just gives us a good visual indication that the circuit board is functional. And as we rotate this, first of all, we should hear a relay engage on the circuit board. We heard that. The light is starting to display at this point. We can see the element in this little incandescent bulb go from very dim to full intensity or 100% as we rotate the potentiometer back to an off position with the D towards the leads. And again, we should see further display as we rotate that from the off position. We heard the relay engage. We see the filament start to come on and increase in intensity as we increase the rotation there on the potentiometer. And we hear the relay click off again. So when connected to a motor, this circuit board would function properly. The potentiometer replacement procedure is a valid repair for motors that are in warranty or out of warranty. Simply order the replacement potentiometer kit, part number 288-8411, and it'll come with a complete replacement installation instruction. And again, damage of this nature is not really a warranty situation, but we will usually cover it one time for a customer as sort of a goodwill warranty coverage. Our warranty covers defects, but it does not cover accidental damage or intentional damage due to attempting to stow that handle without having the motor in the off or stow position.